Hey, welcome to the show. Today in the show, we are going to be taking a 5-digit number and adding it to another 5-digit number. I'm going to tell you how to do it. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome to the show. Today in the show, we are taking these two 5-digit numbers and adding it. We're going to have to do a little regrouping, but don't worry. We're going to take it step by step. Easy cheesy lemon squeezy, I promise you. All right, so first of all, let's go over and we add the ones first. Okay, 7 plus 6, what is it? 13. That's right. Remember, we put the 3 here and put the 1 up here. Now we start to add the tens, all right? 2 plus 2 is 4. Open the door. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus the 1 is 5. All right. All right, now we just add the hundreds. That is 8 plus 5, all right? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, all right. Carry the 1. Now we add the thousands, all right? 8 plus 1 is 9, plus the other one up here. Don't forget about that other one. That would be 10. Carry the 1 up here, all right? Now we're dealing with 10,000, all right, place value. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus the 1, 6. Our answer is 60,353. Hey, you ready to do another one? Yeah, let's do it, yeah. Okay, here's our next problem. We have 30,289 plus 39,065. What I want you to do right now is do this on a piece of paper, hit pause, and when you're ready to go, hit play again, all right? Let's hit pause. Okay, we are ready. All right, first of all, what do? We go over here, not subtract, add. We're doing addition today. 9 plus 5, all right, 14. Carry the 1, put the 1 up there. All right, 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. Carry the 1. All right. Now we're working with the hundreds. 2 plus 1 is, you got it, 1, 2, 3, 3. Now we deal with the thousands. 9 plus 0, what is it? 9. You guys are awesome. Okay, our next number is 3 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, you are math ninja pros today. You really are. We have the answer as 69,354. You guys are awesome. Give yourself a nice pat on the back. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the video today. Make sure you check out my other channels and videos on here, and I'd sure appreciate it if you would hit subscribe. All right, we'll talk to you later. Adios.